Hey YouTube, so the floor, there's nothing on the floor. Why? Because it's over there on my bed. Yeah, that's right, this is a video about the Coleman cooler. Now, I've had this cooler for a good while, really good while. But dun dun dun, it has officially died, or for now it has officially died. Part of it was my fault, part of it wasn't my fault, but I'm going to be going home soon. I'm kind of contemplating if I want to try to keep it and fix it or just throw it out, and I'm really siding with maybe just throw it out because you know what? The cooler's $100 bucks. If I have to buy a new cooler once a year and it's $100 bucks, maybe minus a few lazy repairs, and it's not really all that expensive. And you know, what I get from the cooler is quite a bit. So I'm going to be going to Love's. They got it on sale, thank God, for $100 bucks. So we're gonna go stop and grab a new one. Yeah, let me show you kind of what happened to this cooler. Final update on cooler version number 1. Yeah, so that's now a thing. This is going to be version 1 cooler, because I'm getting version 2 cooler, which is going to be the same make and model and probably the same color and everything else. So that's going to be V2 or V1. No, V2 for version 2.
Version 1.
So this is kind of what happened. This fan blade right here got broke. And that's one, but that's not a big deal. I can fix that. You know, it's just right here. Take this out. I got some quick connects, and that's it. It's done. But then this clip decided to pop out, so yeah, that's not useful. But again, I can fix that. So broken fan, broken wire, fixable. This is now separating from the cooler, so that's no bueno. But hey, that's some glue, so we can glue that back on. Then on the inside, the fan broke, this fan, but I got a quick connectors on it, and so I could just change out this fan with another computer fan and be good to go. But that's basically me rebuilding this whole cooler for $100 bucks. Why? Just go buy a new one, right? Ay, ay, ay. I really want to remove this cabinet right here and put a fridge in, like a dorm fridge. They may or may not allow me to do that. If they allow me to do that, great. I'm still gonna, you know, buy the cooler, because I could have the cooler at the house. I could use it in my personal vehicle or PV. So, you know, that cooler, I like it, okay? It's extremely useful. The vibration instructor's probably going to get really, really fun here in a second, because my student's trying to back up underneath the trailer and our fifth wheel is pretty dry. Oh, that's what she said. Somebody's laughing. Anyway.
She should have never said that.
So the cooler, from me using it from when I got it to now, was it worth the investment? Yes.
Yeah, a year?
Flat out, yes it was. $100, actually it was $140 because I bought it in California. Don't buy that cooler in California. Buy anywhere else but California. You know, from the time I've had it to now, that cooler has done me pretty darn well, until a lot of things just kind of broke all at once, and it was just like, you know, I'm gonna spend, I have to go buy glue to glue that sink back on. I gotta buy some connectors. I gotta buy a new fan. I gotta replace the fan on the end. I'll go buy a new one. So that's kind of where we're at. So yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Please hit hit that like, comment, rate, subscribe button, and my student is pulling forward again on trying to do this trailer hookup. Anyway, enjoy the view.
I like to be perfect on the trailers, man.
Wal-Mart, DC, Cleburne, Texas. And yes, I just wasted 5 minutes and 30 seconds of your time. And you just looked. See ya, it's 25. Bye.